2025 was a year where you had hits after hits. Like, did you plan, like, I'll have these 3 releases, or it just happens?
I never planned, but the way the opportunities came, what I was happy about was, they're all like different genres, different kind of roles. So I was excited about it.
Is this industry welcoming?
It is welcoming, but you see, thing is that people can be nice, but at the end of the day, it's a business. Whenever a producer or actor casts you, they have to benefit out of it.
People you worked with, there's so much to learn from them. Like, you know, say Diljit, क्या कुछ नहीं है उनसे सीखने का. अक्षय कुमार, आपने क्या सीखा अक्षय कुमार से, if I would ask?
पहले तो अक्षय सर से ये कि वर्कोहॉलिक कैसे बना जाता है और मल्टीटास्क कैसे किया जाता है. इस out of this work has always amazed me about Diljit is that his zeal to grow as an artist. Look at his fashion and style.
Oh my God, he's
and
amazing.
Apart from how talented he is as a singer, as an artist, और वो कहते हैं कि मैंने कभी training नहीं ली. And I think that's why it is what it is with him. So he's always inspired me.
You're so successful as an actor. There are so many people who look up to you. मुंबई जाएंगे, आपके जैसे बॉलीवुड फिल्म्स करेंगे, पंजाबी फिल्म्स करेंगे पंजाब में. Does this play on your mind कि ये एक solid responsibility है जो young लड़कियाँ actors बनना चाहती है? And does this affect your decisions of choosing?
पिछले साल मैंने आके हिंदी फिल्मों में काम करना शुरू किया. I genuinely thought that okay, I'm going to a new territory. I never came with this that I have achieved this in Punjabi cinema. I'm already a star and this and that. और मैं तो अभी तक auditions करती हूँ.
सबसे ज़्यादा fans ने आपको क्या कहा है फिल्म देखने के बाद?
कुछ तो बहुत गुस्सा हुए. उन्होंने मुझे hate किया. अभी भी Harsh, Vilap and I have a group. Every time there is somebody who's saying she's that. देखो लड़के को मरवाते हैं and she's doing this. She's celebrating. There were so many memes on that. Hi, this is Sonam Bajwa. And you're watching me on Bollywood Hungama.
Sonam, welcome to Bollywood Hungama. Thank you so much for giving me time firstly.
Thank you so much for having me. I was really looking forward to our conversation.
Super. You have had the most amazing year. 2025 was a year where you had hits after hits. Can this be planned? Did you plan, like, I'll have these 3 releases, or it just happens?
I never planned, actually. I never planned, but the way the opportunities came, what I was happy about was, they're all like different genres, different kind of roles. So I was excited about it, but I wasn't very sure when am I having these releases? Like which one's coming out first, which is going to be the second or third. There was a little bit of a confusion about that. I was not sure. But I was just happy about the fact that, okay, I will get to play different kind of characters, all 3 different genres. So yeah, I was looking forward to that the most.
Was this one of the best years you've had? Would you say that? Yeah.
I think so. Yes. Very fulfilling. I mean, you can only wish that you have a year like that, where your films are appreciated, you're loved by the audiences, and and it was my debut year in Hindi films. So, it was, I mean, I don't think so I can ask for anything more than that.
Right, debut year mein mostly people have one debut film. You had like 3, and all have gone and done well.
Yes.
Do you now feel like in the first year itself, you've made a mark, you have made your presence felt? Of course, people knew you already, but have you made a solid mark and you think you're comfortable and here to stay?
I think now I feel like, okay, people are going to expect more. It also, I do feel that people back home in Punjab also are going to expect more, because I sort of represent that industry here. And but I think that's part of the job that I'm in. Things will always be uncertain. You can just hope that you pick up the right projects. You will always make the right choices. But let's see. But I do feel excited that, wow, what a year I've had in 2025. Let's see what 2026 has.
Right. I ask this question to a lot of people. Everybody has a different answer. Is this industry welcoming?
It is welcoming, but you see, thing is that people can be nice, but at the end of the day, it's a business. It's work. You as an actor have to fit in the part. You have to bring something to the table. And especially if you come as an experienced actor, you're already accomplished in a certain territory. you have that added advantage. Maybe, but you also have to still prove it. You know, whenever a producer or actor casts you, they have to benefit out of it, because it is a business. It is a business. So I would say people are nice, people are welcoming, but also there are a lot of thoughts about it कि हमें इससे क्या फायदा होगा? Is our film going to benefit from this? Does she fit the part? Sometimes you do fit the part, but it's also like, okay, you know, ठीक है, हमें ये certain audience मिलेगी नॉर्थ से, ठीक है, ये फायदा है या नहीं है. So people do calculate, and I don't mind that, because if I put myself in their shoes, if I'm running a business, I will think about the business making money the most, you know. So वो है, but yeah, I think I've had the opportunity to work with some of the very nice people, talented people, but also nice people. But फिर भी मैं ये कहूँगी कि मैं थोड़ा ये मेरे लिए नया है अभी भी. बहुत ज़्यादा दोस्ती या मैं पर्सनली बहुत ज़्यादा लोगों को भी नहीं जानती हूँ, बट जितनों के साथ अभी तक काम किया या जाना, तो एक्चुअली वेरी नाइस.
नाइस. सबसे बड़ा डिफरेंस क्या लगा आपको जब आपने हिंदी फिल्म, आई मीन आपने इतनी पंजाबी फिल्में की है, जब आप हिंदी फिल्म सेट पे गई, लोगों से मिली, सबसे ऐसा कुछ था डिफरेंस?
देखिए, पंजाबी फिल्मों में क्योंकि बजट्स आर नॉट एज बिग एज हिंदी फिल्म्स, तो क्या होता है, हम तो 30 डेज में पूरी फिल्म ख़त्म कर देते हैं. और शायद ये जो कल्चर है वर्कशॉप्स का, बहुत आराम से आप एक दिन में एक सीन करते हैं. बहुत बार मैंने ऐसा देखा है. वो शायद प्रिविलेज हमारे पास पंजाबी फिल्म्स में नहीं होती बहुत बार. बट ऑल्सो इट सॉर्ट ऑफ टफन्स यू एज एन एक्टर. यू नो, इट प्रिपेयर्स यू. लाइक आई हैव डन मोनोलॉग्स राइट देन एंड देयर, यू नो, लाइक द राइटर सेंट एंड दे लाइक, ओके ओके, कम, यू हैव टू डू दिस. सो देयर इज ऑल्सो फन इन दैट, बट इट ऑल्सो makes you stronger as an actor. I feel, as a person, because I'm like, Arey, but this is a monologue, how do you say that? Give me like 30 minutes. nahi ho juga, you come. So I would say that because it's a smaller industry, Punjabi industry, the resources are also limited,
right?
So we're not super privileged to just shoot one scene,
right?
या बहुत बार ऐसा भी होता है कि आपको पता है लाइट जा रही है, आपको पता है कि ये सही टाइम नहीं है शूट करने के लिए, लेकिन फिर आपके पास चॉइस नहीं है, क्योंकि डायरेक्टर इज अंडर प्रेशर टू फिनिश द फिल्म इन अ सर्टेन नंबर ऑफ डेज. सो वो होता है. And yes, I think that's the biggest, like when I reached on a Hindi film set, I was like, wow, you know, everything is happening इतने आराम से, कोई ज़्यादा जल्दी नहीं है. फर्स्ट डे पे सिर्फ एक शॉट हो रहा है, like एक पूरा भी सीन कई बार मैंने देखा है कि नहीं हुआ. The culture of rehearsing is way more here. Here, maybe in Punjabi films, maybe because most of the times the very dominating genre is comedy. तो comedy में वहाँ मैंने देखा है कि हम सब लोग ज़्यादातर being spontaneous follow करते हैं, ज़्यादा रिहर्सल नहीं होती. You just figure out with the actors. बहुत सारे actors improvise करते हैं, and you just go with the flow. That's how I think we do it there. Here there were like so many rehearsals. So I was observing that, okay, you know, everything is like really planned. They take it easy, they take it slow. Everything is super planned. वहाँ पे थोड़ा सा it's different, I would say.
Right.
It's different.
You know, and the people you worked with, there's so much to learn from them. Like, you know, say दिलजीत, क्या कुछ नहीं है उनसे सीखने का. अक्षय कुमार, you know, there's a way that man works. आपने क्या सीखा अक्षय कुमार से, if I would ask?
पहले तो अक्षय सर से ये कि वर्कोहॉलिक कैसे बना जाता है और मल्टीटास्क कैसे किया जाता है. You know, अक्षय सर is somebody, he even advises. He's like, तुझे खाली बैठ के क्या करना है, तुझे ये टाइम पे ये काम आ रहा है ना, यू मस्ट टेक इट. शूट खत्म हुआ, यू वांट टू गो डू अनदर इवेंट, इफ यू कैन प्लीज डू इट, दिस इज योर टाइम टू वर्क. सो ही रियली एनकरेजेस you. His discipline, his you know, enthusiasm for work is out of this world. I mean, it's incredible how much he's still so driven as an actor, as a you know, as a professional. उनको काम करना बहुत पसंद है, और हर चीज़ टाइम से, you know, हर चीज़ वक्त पे करते हैं, हर चीज़ बहुत पैशन के साथ करते हैं. And his love for food also. I mean, लोगों को लगता है कि वो शायद नहीं खाते, but he makes all of us sit together. He loves to feed people. He loves to share food with people.
But he also eats all that, और खाली आपको खिला रहा है?
But you know, he has his chef has very unique recipes. It will be healthy, but it will also be very yummy and interesting. Yeah. So there is a lot of fun when Akshay sir, and you must learn how to play Ludo. If you're working with Akshat Saab, you will, and you should have little cash on you. Because अगर आप हारेंगे, तो even if the bet is of $1,000, he will take it from you.
Yeah. Cheating करते हैं?
चीटिंग तो नहीं करते, चीटिंग तो मैंने नहीं देखा ज्यादा, लेकिन हाँ अगर वो कहते हैं कि ठीक है 1,000 की शर्त है और वो हम अगर हार गए तो हमें उन्हें 1,000 रुपए देने पड़ेंगे.
Wow. Then there's someone like Diljit. You know, उनके बारे में तो जितना बात करे कम है, पूरा एक इंटरव्यू निकल जाएगा. But what is overall, you've also previously also worked with him. आप सबसे बड़ी क्या learning रहेगी आप दिलजीत के अगर fans देख रहे हैं तो?
I think what has always amazed me about Diljit is that his zeal to grow as an artist. आप उनकी शुरुआत की, हमने तो बहुत पहले की उनकी जर्नी देखी है. He is always striving for excellence, and that is so amazing. He could come with so many excuses. Oh, I've been raised and born in a village. हमारे पास शायद ये resources नहीं है. But he never took that as an excuse. I think that made him learn more. That made him work harder on himself, and we see that. I mean, look at his fashion. And style.
Oh my God, he's
and
amazing.
Apart from how talented he is as a singer, as an artist, और वो कहते हैं कि मैंने कभी ट्रेनिंग नहीं ली, जरूर शायद नहीं ली होगी, मुझे नहीं लगता उन्होंने एक फैशन आइकन बनने की भी ट्रेनिंग ली, but just because he's always striving for excellence, and I think that's why it is what it is with him. So he's always inspired me.
आपने हौसला रखी थी उनके साथ?
जी मैंने.
वो कौन से ईयर में होगी?
वो आई थिंक हौसला रख came in 2022.
Correct.
We shot it during lockdown.
You shot it during lockdown, and coming to then you worked with him now. Do you see him also growing, and like do you see?
100%. He's become a global star. He was always a very big star. Like my first film, Punjab 1984, was my second film. But
same director as Border too, yes, Anurag.
So he was already a very big star. He was done shooting and celebrating Jat and Juliet and all of that. He was a big singer, a big actor, and I've seen his journey from being a very popular singer from Punjab to like a pan-India star, and then from pan-India star to a global star. So there is, I mean, of course, I've seen that growth. I think it's so inspiring. और difference मुझे यही लगता है कि वो और ज़्यादा humble और ज़्यादा focused होते जा रहे हैं अपने काम को लेकर. I think जैसे जैसे आपके ऊपर जितनी responsibility आती है, you got to be more serious. And I think he's always like super focused when he's on set. He's a man of few words, doesn't talk so much, especially on the set. He's got a great sense of humor, and I don't think he's even aware how wonderful of an actor he is. Like what he holds, probably that innocence and that purity, तो उनको ज़्यादा try नहीं करना पड़ता है. So when you're acting, it just flows. It just looks like very believable, very authentic, and I love that about him. And I think that's why I really enjoy working with him in any genre. Chahe wo serious ho, intense ho, comedy ho. Comedy is also like very fun with him.
Right. So you are so successful as an actor. There are so many people who look up to you. कि मुंबई जाएंगे, आपके जैसे बॉलीवुड फिल्म्स करेंगे, पंजाबी फिल्म्स करेंगे पंजाब में. डज दिस प्ले ऑन योर माइंड कि ये एक सॉलिड रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी है जो यंग लड़कियां एक्टर्स बनना चाहती है, एंड डज दिस अफेक्ट योर डिसीजंस ऑफ चूजिंग फिल्म्स?
Honestly, Rohit, मैंने कभी ऐसा नहीं सोचा that how many people look up to me, because मुझे ऐसा लगता है कि I'm also, जैसे अब ये साल पिछले साल मैंने आके हिंदी फिल्मों में काम करना शुरू किया. I genuinely thought that okay, I'm going to a new territory. I never came with this that oh, I have achieved this in Punjabi cinema, I'm already a star and this and that. I genuinely came here with that mindset that okay, God, thank you so much for giving me for whatever you've given me in this one territory. I come here now, help me, and I came with that mindset that I have to conquer this part of the world. It's new. I was auditioning, और मैं तो अभी तक auditions करती हूँ, तो मुझे बिल्कुल भी किसी एंगल से ये नहीं लगता कि मैंने अभी बहुत कुछ कर लिया है. But I'm so grateful for the love that I have received so far. I don't know if I've indirectly ever inspired anyone, and if anyone has ever seen my journey very closely, but the love of the fans always put me in that place where I feel a bit responsible in whatever I'm choosing. And when I say that, I mean that no matter what kind of script it is, I want to do justice to it.
Right.
चाहे वो comedy हो, चाहे वो romantic films हो, चाहे action हो, I want to do full justice to that. I think, yeah, that's what my intention is, and
Right.
I know that I still have so much more to do. This is
right.
just the beginning for me here. But all I hope and I expect from myself is that whatever you pick up, do justice to it.
Yeah, that's so important. You know, पहले ज़माने में एक बहुत प्राइड होता था कि ये एक्टर ना कभी ऑडिशन नहीं करता है, ये स्टार है, ये बिल्कुल ऑडिशन नहीं करते हैं.
Yeah.
Today I see every actor pushes this concept of auditioning and are very proud to you know to go out audition for different roles. What is your take on it? It's a very important and it's a must do thing for actors.
See, if you ask me personally, I do not enjoy the feeling of exam or a test. That's how
Right.
I was as
Yeah.
a kid also. I mean, I was very dedicated, very sincere. लेकिन जब exam आता था तो मुझे सबसे ज़्यादा घबराहट and I would just be anxious. So even till today, I definitely respect and understand the importance of audition.
Okay.
And I encourage audition sometimes because कई बार मैंने खुद लोगों को directors को कहा होगा कि oh but can I audition, like you know when they look at you they feel I'm not sure if you fit into this. So I've always requested, I said but I don't mind auditioning. कोई बात नहीं अगर audition करने के बाद भी अगर आपको लगता है मैं fit नहीं होती, that's okay.
Okay.
So I do respect that, and also having said that, you cannot be arrogant about how many films you've done. You cannot be egoistic about it.
Yeah,
if a director is still wants to see you in his vision, he's uncertain and he wants to see your tape, let him do that. He has full right, and there shouldn't be any egos, any
that's the most
titles
important.
attached to it. And I hope I never have that issue. Yeah, but I do get nervous at times because you know क्या होता है audition में, सेट पे तो आप एक एक्टर के साथ काम कर रहे होते हैं तो वो बहुत आसान हो जाता है. आपके पास डायरेक्टर होते हैं आपको गाइड करने के लिए, इवन इफ इट्स समथिंग दैट यू आर नॉट अंडरस्टैंडिंग. बट ऑडिशन प्रोसेस कैन बी नर्व रैकिंग एंड बिकॉज यू आर एक्टिंग in front of a camera, mostly you don't have a co-actor. So it is a bit weird, especially when you're not very used to the process of auditions, because as a working actor you do audition but not like 10 auditions a month.
Fair enough.
So it is very nerve wracking at times, and then eventually you also feel man ये अगर मैं सेट पे करती तो शायद ज़्यादा अच्छा करती, लेकिन ये ऑडिशन में because I wasn't getting the cues, I wasn't so ऐसा होता है. The process can feel a little bit like that, but it's important, and I have never felt any ego about auditioning till date.
Nice. You know, एक दीवाने की दीवानियत आई. It was well received. It did very well. But बनने के पहले आपको कोई apprehensions थे फिल्म करने में?
मैंने रोहित इस तरह का जॉनरा कभी अटेम्प्ट नहीं किया था, तो मेरा एप्रीहेंशन सबसे पहले ये था कि मैं ये पुल कर सकती हूँ. मैंने इस तरह का कैरेक्टर कभी नहीं किया था. एक टोन होता है, एक सुर होता है फिल्म का, तो उसका सुर बहुत अलग था. एंड आई वाज वेरी अवेयर ऑफ दैट, एंड आई सेड विल आई बी एबल टू पुल दिस ऑफ. बट I always wanted to try different things, and I would still want to try different things. And I took it as a challenge, and I picked it up. I mean, and yeah, I'm glad I picked it up.
Right, it did. You know, it was well received. But before doing it, when it's on paper, how did you know that there aren't anything which is just for shock value? Say your interval point, even the ending of the film, which just completely takes a different turn. आपको कैसे पता कि ये एकदम genuinely बनाया जा रहा है या just to entice an audience?
मुझे रोहित सच में पढ़ के ऐसा फील नहीं हुआ था कि ये just to create twists and turns हो रहा है. But I'll be completely honest with you. I did not agree with a lot of things in the script. I had my questions. अरे but ऐसा क्यों? ऐसे कहाँ होता है? Why are we doing this? Why is she saying this? Why is she doing? I had so many questions. But but when I went back home after the narration, I was like, I just could not take the film, the characters out of my head. And I thought to myself that if I can feel that, I hope the audiences also will have these questions. And then, like they will think about all this. So, and also it felt challenging. I was like, my God, how? When I heard the interval point, I was like, oh my goodness. So, as an actor, I took it as a challenge. और मुझे लगा कि मुझे कभी भी किसी ने शायद इस तरह के character में नहीं देखा. And to me, the language of the characters, the way they were talking was so unusual to what and how we communicate or converse these in today's time.
Correct.
I just really took it as a challenge. I said, okay, let's see how much of it I can do. Kaisa hota hai, main kaise karti hu. I totally, as I took it up as something different for myself.
Right.
So yeah, I know what you're saying.
Yeah.
It was different, and but ये मुझे thought नहीं था कि ये सिर्फ इस तरह से करने के लिए ये लिखा हुआ है. It felt genuine. It was director's thought, Milap's thought. He was fully convinced.
Okay.
And I knew what I was getting into.
Right.
He has a certain vision for how he sees his characters, how they're performing.
Right.
And yeah, I just saw it for that.
Right. No, it's amazing that you did it. It did so well, and it did well for you also.
Yes.
When you don't agree with a character, when you said I had so many questions, how do you go on that set, and how do you know that's a character, but how does when they find this balance of doing it with full honesty and full dedication like you did?
No, absolutely. I had so many conversations with Milap, but why is she doing this? Why is she talking like this? But then why is she crying? Why is she doing?
Why is she crying?
So many questions.
Yeah.
But at the end of the day, I mean, पूरे set पे ना, I feel कि एक इंसान का conviction सबसे important है, वो है director का.
जी.
तो जितने भी सवाल थे, at the end of the day when I would just go to perform that scene, I would like to bring conviction. Like if I think as Sonam, I would never talk like that. I would not relate to so many things. But then, even in that premise, my job as an actor was to bring conviction.
Yeah.
So I did that. But there were many questions, arguments, and this and that with Milap. But we would always talk. He's like, no, but it's written like that. She, so many things. So I just did it. I just tried to bring conviction to it. And I just performed with his understanding.
Right. ये फिल्म की एक अलग ही फॉलोइंग है and it's amazing. सबसे ज़्यादा फैंस ने लोगों ने आपको क्या कहा ये फिल्म देखने के बाद?
कुछ तो बहुत गुस्सा हुए. उन्होंने मुझे hate किया. And I would, अभी भी, Harsh, Milap and I have a group. Every time there's somebody who's saying she's that, देखो लड़के को मरवा के, and she's doing this, she's celebrating. There were so many memes on that.
Yeah.
There were so many comments like that. I would always message on that group. I said, Milap, you made me do this. Look how people are hating on me.
Right.
But then we would just laugh about it. There are different kind of reactions. There's some people who understood. There's some people who did not really understand that why would she do this? Why would he do this? So there were these kind of things. But then I'm just very happy, elated about the fact that the film did well.
Yeah.
There are certain section of people who genuinely enjoyed the film, who have learned the dialogues by heart. No matter how big those dialogues were, they speak it, they make reels on it, they enjoy it, they enjoy the music, they enjoy that kind of drama, they enjoy that kind of intensity. I'm just grateful that जिनके लिए फिल्म बनाई थी उन्हें वो पसंद आई, and film did very good business, and that is it.
Right. Do you, when these people write to you and they say all kinds of things, do you sometimes get angry and feel like replying that this is not Sonam, this is my character? Do they?
Oh yeah, but I can't tell them. I tell Milap. I tell him, why did you make me do this? So I tell Milap, and then Milap's favorite dialogue comes in. But I give you a super hit.
Yeah,
so.
Right. He has that. He can say that. Right.
So yeah, that's it. I mean, and also when they hate on my character, somehow then I'm successful playing what the director wanted me to play.
Yeah, it's worked.
So in a way, it's fine. I don't take it personally.
Right. Does a hit guarantee that you will get many more films? Is it that easy?
It doesn't guarantee, Rohit, but it definitely opens the doors that were shut, for some time. Because even when you come as a very credible actor from a certain region, जैसे पहले कहा, this is a business, people need to see, okay, really, you are a good actor, you have a loyal fan base in a certain region, then show us,
right.
And the numbers have to speak at the end of the day. So nothing's guaranteed, but I think it makes it a little bit easier for other people when they've seen you in different kind of roles, okay, then they can, you can somehow fit their not, I won't say that their vision, but maybe some people's vision.
Yeah.
It becomes easier for them to consider you
Right.
for whatever they're doing.
आपके लिए कौन से doors shut थे? No one will believe that.
No, 100% not. Yes, but क्या होता है, जिस तरह की scripts आपको करने होते हैं और या जिस तरह की films का आप हिस्सा बनना चाहते हैं, sometimes people have these apprehensions, but oh, I think you may not fit into this, or maybe you look too glam, or maybe you look too desi, और क्या आपको हिंदी आती है? एक ये भी बहुत बड़ा मुझे लगता है कि बहुत बड़ा people think if you're from North India or you're from Punjab, शायद आपको हिंदी नहीं आती होगी or something like that. I don't know. So I've had those meetings where people were like, oh, we didn't know you speak in Hindi. So I said, listen, बल्कि मुझे लगता है मेरी English इतनी अच्छी नहीं है, मेरी हिंदी मेरी इंग्लिश से ज़्यादा अच्छी है. So I think yeah, doors weren't shut, but I just hope that now after these films I can get opportunities where I have bigger and better roles from what I've already done.
Right. You know, there are so many actors and there are so many successful actors and good actors. Is the competition genuinely tough?
It is tough.
It is tough.
It is tough. I wouldn't say that it is easy for anybody. Even if you're a newcomer or if you're a very accomplished, successful actor, I think it was slightly a difficult phase for the film industry in totality after COVID. So the number of films or the quality of films, सब कुछ थोड़ा मुझे लगा था कि सिनेमा ने थोड़ा सा बैकसीट लिया था because of how OTT was flourishing and more people were making content on the OTT. So it was difficult, and I would say it is still very difficult, but it is getting better with couple of films doing phenomenally well on the box office. It is getting easier, but still every place, I think, no matter where you are, where you work, it's very competitive.
It is,
It is very competitive. So that's why I think you can't take your job lightly. You can't take any opportunity very lightly. You have to give your 100% because one should not think that they're irreplaceable.
Yeah. You know, when you do a Diwaniyat and when Harsh does a Diwaniyat, when you do a Houseful and when Akshay does a Houseful, you think that our audience is slightly more harsh to the women, because whatever I was reading about all this also, there's a lot of questions asked that when women do a Houseful too, but no question is asked to the guys who are actually doing those scenes actually and saying those lines. You think we are slightly, favoring our male actors? They can pass off any line.
The world's always favored men, no? Before they favored women. So before it happens in the industry, I think it is just the society. The questions will always be asked from women, before a man is questioned, a woman will always be questioned first. That's how it's been. So yeah, it is what it is, but also the filmmakers are making what's selling at the box office, what people are wanting to see. But also, having said that, I agree that there's certain section of people who do not appreciate that, who do not like that kind of cinema, who do not enjoy those kind of jokes. Absolutely, and I do not judge them, or it doesn't make me angry. But it is what it is.
Right.
Glamour has always worked on the cinema. On a big screen, it has always worked, and I think that's why it will keep working.
Even in 2026, it has not changed. कि थोड़ा बदल रहा है कि at least we are asking the right questions. There are more men in today's time who will be feminists. There are more men who will support an actor, a female actor.
बिल्कुल बदल रहा है रोहित. I think काफी हद तक बदल गया है. इसीलिए मुझे लगता है कि अभी जिस तरह की फिल्में बन रही हैं, I think last couple of years brought a very big shift in the cinema. And why that happened is because the audiences became very evolved, very intelligent. Everybody started to voice their opinion, some in a good way, some in a bad way.
Right.
So I think that has changed. That has also given us perspective that if that works, there are other things also that are working. I mean, a film like Lapata Lady also works. So there's space for everything. There's space for everyone. It's just that what choices are you making for yourself? What do you want to associate with? What kind of script do you want to pick up? But yes, ये थोड़ा मुझे लगता है ये सब थोड़ा easy हो जाता है. थोड़ा सा लोगों को लगता है कि okay, this is the risks are slightly lesser compared to you know like a Lapata Lady or you know some other films. But people have evolved for cinema in general. There are definitely men. I see more men talk about rights, feminism than women these days. So that has definitely changed, and we've all evolved.
Right. Social media, it's something you enjoy or it's another headache आपके साथ कि ये भी करना पड़ता है, अभी एक्टिंग भी करनी पड़ती है.
Headache से ज़्यादा I think pressure.
Responsibility. Yeah.
It is sometimes even when you're having a bad day, oh, you have to do this post. Okay, this has to go live. This has to. Can you please make a reel on it? Can you please? So that happens, but I can't complain. I can't complain because it has also really helped actors to connect with their audiences one on one. You know, पहले जब सोशल मीडिया नहीं होता था, मुझे नहीं लगता दैट कि फैंस एक एक्टर उनकी फिल्म के बियॉन्ड क्या है इतना जान पाते थे. लेकिन अब वो थोड़ा इजी हो गया, यू नो, बिकॉज यू कैन रियली शो योर रियल पर्सनैलिटी, यू कैन डू दैट, but with that comes this responsibility of how to strike a balance.
Because, true.
Because sometimes it gets too much.
Are you a private person that way? You'd like to keep it private?
Yes, I am. I think I am. But yeah, so I also often sometimes I think about it, that how to strike a balance, because one, it can be addictive, this constant pressure of posting, this constant pressure of delivering things on social media. So yeah, it is a tricky space. And I think I'm still learning. I don't know how to really like strike a balance. It gets overwhelming at times.
Right. Yeah. So in 2026, what do you want to tell your fans? Where will they see you? Anything you can tell us?
I have not decided anything in terms of the movies yet. There's only one Punjabi film that's scheduled to release on 1st of May. And other than that, I'm genuinely really like meeting and listening to different scripts and figuring out. And what I can tell them is that I hope I will really, really try to pick up things that that are important as an actor to me, something that I can do justice to. So yeah, just that. And I think I hope that the year is as magical as 2025.
Right. Not too far, but even 5 years from now, what do you want your filmography to look like? कैसी फिल्में होनी चाहिए आपके filmography पे?
Definitely diverse. I want to pick up different kind of scripts. I want to work with directors who can really take me out of my comfort zone. हम बहुत बार कई actors की performance देखते हैं as an actor, मतलब not just as an audience, and we think, how did she do that, or how did this actor you know, pull this kind of performance? What was the process on set? I get very intrigued, and you know, then I'll try and find out, do I know an AD or do I know somebody who was on set? How many days of workshop was it? How many takes was taken for this kind of scene? How do I achieve? So मैं definitely 5 सालों में कुछ ऐसी फिल्में डेफिनेटली करना चाहती हूँ जहाँ लोग ये बोले ये कैसे किया, सोनम ने कैसे किया. I really want to surprise the audiences. I want to surprise myself. I keep telling some of my actor friends that I'm really waiting for that day when people will say, oh my God, we did not expect this from Sonam. And I also want to surprise myself. Right. Like you also think कि अच्छा आप ये कर सकते हैं as an actor, वो कर सकते हैं. But I just hope that within these 5 years that you mentioned, I'm able to surprise myself, I'm able to surprise the audiences, and I'm able to pull some really good performances. Right,
we're sure you will. We have some fun questions to end with.
Okay.
Punjabi film set or Hindi film set, अच्छा खाना कहाँ पर होता है?
Punjabi, of course, hands down Punjabi.
Right. When you have an off day, what genre will you go and watch?
See, I'm a hardcore romantic person at heart. So I'll always choose romantic films over anything. So yeah.
Right. Playing one character that completely changed your game, you think?
I think Ada in Diwali.
Yeah. And one character that people at the airport and wherever they meet you, they talk about. Now and earlier.
See, in Punjab, I did a film called Arab Mutiara. I think that really changed everything for me as an actor. And people till date, like wherever I go, I don't know, किसी चीज़ के बारे में बात करे ना करे, but they definitely talk about that film and that character of mine.
Wow. One co-star जो आपके दिमाग में आता है कि यार इससे मैंने बहुत सीखा.
One co-star. I would say Harsh. Lately, Harsh.
Yeah, huh.
He's incredible as a human being, and
Yeah.
he's really inspiring as a person. His discipline, his craft, everything.
Right. Fame overwhelming है, overpowering है कि it's fun.
No, it's fun and full of blessings.
It's fun and full of blessings. Right. If we see your phone, whose pictures do you click the maximum?
My dogs.
Your dogs. Everyone who has pets, you'll only see pets.
Yeah.
Right.
I have some 35,000 pictures in my phone, and probably 25,000 are just my dogs.
Your dogs are here with you in
Yes,
Mumbai?
yes.
Oh my God. You have one dog?
Two dogs.
Two dogs. Okay. On a Friday when a film releases, what do you want? Like an audience queuing up outside, say, a Gaiety Galaxy, or do you want 5-star reviews? What's your go-to thing?
First would be audiences going outside the
okay.
theater, and अगर उसके ऊपर वो critiques को
Yeah.
भी अच्छी लग जाए तो
Right.
nothing like
Right. Are there actresses you admire? You're like, wow.
so many. I admire Alia Bhatt a lot.
Yeah.
What an inspiring actress
Yeah.
she is. I think Yami Gautam has
She's done very good
inspired
work.
me.
Yes.
I've always believed that she's a very versatile
Yeah,
actor
she-
because मैंने पहले उनका कॉमेडी का काम देखा है, इंटेंस भी देखा है, but this year I think
Yeah,
उनका मुझे बहुत इंस्पायर किया उन्होंने. And
Right.
Tabbu, lot of actresses. I really admire a lot of them. But I think if I have to pick top 3,
Yeah, these.
Alia, Yami, Tabbu.
Right. And any male actors who you're waiting to work opposite?
Are there quite a few?
Hmm.
Ranveer
Yeah.
and Vicky and Ranveer.
Wow, that is the absolutely best list. Your comfort food,
Chaat, Golgappe.
chaat, golgappe.
Just, yeah, all that.
Right. Currently, the one Punjabi song or Punjabi singer that you're obsessed with, or you keep listening to.
Lately, I've been listening to a lot of Guru songs.
Okay,
all his
nice.
songs
What
have
a-
like
yeah,
really nice
yeah,
hook
yeah.
steps and you vibe to them. It's a Guru songs.
Right. One thing that a Sonam fan should always remember about her. क्या ऐसी बात है जो आप कहेंगे कि मेरे बारे में ये कभी मत भूलना?
My performances. I hope whatever characters I've played, they always talk about that you know, she did this film,
Yeah.
she did that character, and that's my favorite. So yeah, just my movie should be the closest to their hearts.
Nice. Super. Thank you so much.
Thank
This was
you.
wonderful. Really was waiting for this and really enjoyed it.
Same here. Thank you so much. Hi, this is Sonam Bajwa, and you're watching me on Bollywood Hangama.